I present to you another achievement, another product to add to our range. Eye care, crafted from Mother Nature for the mothers of our society. Ladies and gentlemen, here is eye care for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ansar sir, for the successful launching of the new product. Today is a very special day, the day of launching eye care. Coincidentally fall on Valentine's Day. So it's a very significant and beautiful achievement in the history of Indus Viva. And I am very excited, me representing the whole women in our entire country. I congratulate the research and development branch for bringing out this wonderful product for all the ladies in the country. And we look forward to a better health with the journey of eye care. And now I will give a brief introduction of Dr. Priya Darshani B. She is a senior obstetrician and gynecologist with 12 plus years of experience, currently working at Viva Healthcare Bangalore. And our doctor is also associated with multiple prime hospitals in Bangalore, like the Narayana Super Specialty Hospital and Saptagiri Medical College Hospital. She is a lifetime member of prestigious medical societies like Bangalore Society of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Association of Gynecologic Oncologists of India, and Indian Medical Association. So over to the short video of Dr. Priya Darshani.
Hi, I'm Dr. Priyadarshini. I'm a practicing gynecologist with 12 plus years of experience. I'm currently working in Viva Healthcare Nagarbavi, Bangalore. I have been associated with multiple prime hospitals in Bangalore like Narayana Super Specialty Hospital, Saptagiri Institute of Medical Sciences and Sidbin Hospital. I'm also a lifetime member of prestigious medical societies like Bangalore Society of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Association of Gynec Oncologists of India, and Indian Medical Association. In my clinic, several women patients about 35 years of age complain of menstrual irregularities. 80% of Indian women live without realizing their impaired hormonal issues, where they require compulsory health assistance. Mainly hypothyroidism, polycystic ovarian disease, diabetes, stress, depression, obesity, hypertension are the commonly diagnosed hormonal disorders seen in women with improper treatment. 68% of women population over 35 years suffer with joint pains. Depressive stress disorders account for close to 40% of the disability among women as compared to 30% among men. Due to stressful sedentary lifestyle and improper eating habits, many women are prone for hormonal imbalance, nutritional deficiencies, and depression, anxiety disorders, leading to a vicious cycle of multiple diseases like diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and osteoporosis. These are basically lifestyle disorders and require some lifestyle modification, which include more physical activity, diet which are rich in proteins, iron, calcium, and good sleep. WHO says a healthy diet helps to protect against non-communicable diseases including diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Women have to handle multiple roles and responsibilities in their life as mother, wife, working woman. Hence, she has special nutrient needs during each stage of her life, which necessitates her for health supplements. iCare from Indus Viva is a wellness product which provides comprehensive support for overall women's health. iCare is a unique natural formulation derived from the basics of Ayurveda, which contains curcumin, boswellia, asparagus, and valerian roots. Curcumin has antioxidant and immune booster properties. Boswellia has anti-inflammatory properties. Asparagus extract helps manage menstrual irregularities and also supports hormonal health. Valerian root supports stress and balances mental health and wellness in women. iCare is 100% natural product and can be safely consumed by women about 35 years.